Welcome to 3D animation course of SufiVoice.com. Lesson 5, Character, Actions and Walk. So in the previous class we had discussed about adding actions and we created a first 3D animation or movie. Today what we'll do is we'll work on giving or making a character to walk. Okay. So first I will add a backdrop. Okay, so here we have a backdrop and you need to work on with your with the camera. We need to position the camera. So let's first position the camera properly. Okay, then move the camera a little bit front. Okay, so yeah, so well, for time being, well, yeah, here we'll scale this up a little bit. We'll increase the size and scale it. Now here you can change the pattern, or like this is the pattern that you have now, and you can change the pattern. Okay, so you can also add if you have an image or another pattern that you want to add on the wall, so that can be imported and you can use that. Okay, so for time being we'll keep this the same way. Okay, a little bit we can move it back. Now the scenario here is we'll take an character, we'll make the character to walk from this area. Okay, so and he will come here and he will perform an action. Okay, so for that first we need to take an character. So we'll add a character to the scene first. Okay, now we have a character, so he looks good. So yeah, so he has to turn this side because walk, isn't it? So he has to walk from here, say to this position. Till here he has to walk. Okay, so first set in which direction he needs to walk, then go to prepare. Okay, go to object movement. Okay, okay, sorry. Okay, yeah, sorry. Go to direct and the direct select character movement. Okay, now here it is normal and this one is a little okay, only walk, and this one is run. Now we depending upon you can use this. Okay, so we can give this moment or you can give this only walk. We'll select this only walk. Okay, then what you do is So to make the character walk, we need to start on recording. Click on this recording. Now you see this line. So this line will hold the mouse and move it. So as you move, he will start walking. Okay, so like this, and once you stop, now the walking movement is recorded. Okay, the whole walking movement is recorded. Okay, now let us check this. Where to check? Go to Tools, Timeline. Okay, and in the timeline, here you see the movement. Okay, so just pull it back to the beginning. Now press the play button. So there's a lot of empty space in the beginning. I'll tell you how to fix this. Okay, now we had a lot of empty space in the beginning, so we don't want that much space. So this can be fixed up in this way. So just bring it in the beginning. Now the space will be reduced. Okay, and we need to do a little bit adjustment with the timeline, because the timeline gets a lengthy, means your video will also get a lengthy. We don't want a lengthy video, so which will take more time to get recorded also. Okay, so till now our okay, so what we'll do is we'll move the camera a little back so that we can capture a bit more version of the video. Okay, now let us go with the preview. Let us see how it comes up in the preview. Okay, now you have the preview, so see how it turns up in the preview. Okay, now I think we need to move the camera a little from the front. So, okay, we'll keep the camera here. Okay, slightly pointing this side, and yeah, a little more front. Okay, so yeah. Let us once again check how it works out. Okay. Okay, fine. Now, once the character is here, we need to give an action to this character movement to this character. So we'll give an character action. Okay. So okay, so let us make it as strong happy. Okay. So as I told you, click on record, then click on the strong version. Yeah, done. Now what we need to do is we need to again go back to timeline and we need to fix this action. Okay, in most of the cases it puts it in the same way, but sometimes yeah, here you need to increase this. We need to cover both the aspects. Okay, now you can replay and check. Okay, now there is some time lapse between the two actions, so we can reduce this time lapse. Like once the person has stood or taken the position, you should wave the hand. Okay, so there's a lot of time lapse there, so we'll cover that. Okay, let us check once again. Okay, it looks good, but some of the animation part of the movement was missing. We don't want to miss anything. So what we'll do is we'll slightly adjust this so that we are covering all the character movement. Okay, and finally we'll move the character slightly in this direction, as if the character is looking. Okay, now let's once again check the movement. Okay, yeah, there is a problem here. So the moment of the character has gone out of so let's check it once again, then we'll create a movie if everything looks fine. Okay, yeah, let us check one more time. Okay, it looks perfect. Right now, congratulations, you have learned how to add actions, how to make the character move in a movie. Okay, so well, so in the next session we'll how to work with voice in an video. Okay, how to add voice to a video. In today's session, we had focused on how to add functionality, that is working with actions, character actions, and how to make a character walk.